So next problem we'll consider a bullet of mass 15 gram has the speed of 400 meter per second. What is its kinetic energy? The bullet strikes a thick target and is brought to rest in 2 centimeter. Given here mass is given and velocity is given, that is speed of the bullet, that will be, we have to find out the kinetic energy here. And also bullet strikes a thick target and brought to rest in 2 centimeter. When it came to rest position, what is the displacement of that bullet will be in terms of 2 centimeter they have given. So question is calculate the average net force acting on bullet, and also we have to know what happens to the kinetic energy in the bullet. So given mass of the bullet 15 gram, velocity is given 400 meter per second. Now let us simplify. Kinetic energy we'll find out equals to half mv square. That is 1 by 2, mass is 15, gram is there. So 15 gram, while converting you have to convert to the kg. So I'll write 15 divided by 1000. Okay, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram here. So that is, here I have to divide it because I want to convert the gram into the kg. So that is 15 divided by 1000 into velocity is 400 into 400, or I can write 400 whole square. Now 15 here, 2 into 1000 I am getting 2000 into 400 whole square. 4 square is 60. So double zeros, 4 zeros. So now if I divide 2000 ones and 2000 80s, you will getting, that is this one. So 15 into 80 you will get 1200 joules. So this is the kinetic energy of the object. Now they have told you to find the average net force acting on it. So since you know work done is equals to change in kinetic energy, isn't it? Or the kinetic energy you can say. Work done is equals to kinetic energy means, so here kinetic energy what I have got 1200 joule, that is equals to work done. What is this work done means? Work is done means force into displacement, isn't it? So force into displacement equals to 1200 joule, and we have known how much it is displaced. It is displaced to 2 centimeter. If we have substitute the values, then you can able to say what is the force acting on that bullet. Now let me simplify this. That is F is equals to 1200 divided by D. That is how much displaced is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter I have to convert into meter. So I am going to write 2 divided by 100. By this I can able to convert centimeter into the meter here. 1200 divided by 2 divided by 100. Okay, let me simplify this. 1200 divide, nothing is there, I can write 1 here into. When this goes to upward position, it will be cross multiplied. So 100 divided by 2 here. So 100 divided by 2 means I can simplify 2 ones are 2 600s. So 600 into 100 I am going to get it as 60,000. Instead of writing 60,000, I can write this one as 6 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. So force is equals to, Y means 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. Instead of writing 4 zeros, I can write 6 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. Okay, this is the how much the force is acting on object, in which the kinetic energy of the object will be 1200 joule. Okay, I hope everyone have understood. If any doubts is there, we will discuss in a live session. Thank you.